Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some words that start with the letter R, okay? But before we start, you need to ask your kid to organize his alphabet. So if you didn't watch the previous video, please watch that first, okay? To organize the alphabet for them to do this activity. Okay, so here I select some words, simple words to start with the letter R. The first one is rain. So ask your kid to try to identify what this picture means, okay? If he's not able, you can help that, that's not a big deal. So, and ask them to repeat the word. So what's that? Rain. What's the first letter? R. So R. The second one, A. Then I and N. Okay, when they finish, you ask them to read again. So what's you just wrote? Rain. After they finish, you ask them to put back in the right place. If he's not able to find where to put correctly, you can have the alphabet, okay, for them to check. But if he's able or she's able, you can ask them to put by themselves. So R, put in the right place. A, I, and N. Okay, he can color this and put aside. The second one, you can ask them, what's that? Rice. Okay, so what's the first letter? R, then I, then C, and E. When they finish, you ask them to repeat what he just wrote. What is that? Rice. And then put back in the right place. So I, C, and E. Okay? He can color as well and put aside. The next one, he can probably say a flower, but then you can tell them it's a specific kind of flower that we call rose. It's almost similar with French. So rose, what's the first letter? R, O, S, E, and ask them to read again. What's that? Rose. And again, put in the right place. O, S, and E. Okay, put aside. Okay, so the last one is rock. So you ask the kid, what's that? Rock. The first letter, R, then O, then C, then K. And ask them to read again. What's that? Rock. Okay, so put back. R, O, C, and K. Okay, if you don't have magnet's letter, that's fine. You can do with any alphabet that you have available. And if you don't have any alphabet yet, you can do with blocks that probably your kids have. You can prepare one alphabet using the blocks that your kid probably have at home. Okay, I have another video if you need how to prepare it. I have another video to show you. Okay, so that's it, and the kid can color all the pictures. Okay, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.